Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add sheets on your Google Sheet, multiple sheets. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to add the extra sheet or more sheets on your Google Sheet PC web. So I'm just going to open a blank document now. So after opening the blank document, this is the first sheet you can see. The sheets are on the downside. You can just click on this file option and click on the insert option. You can see a lot of functions are here to insert, and you just can click file and you can add a new spreadsheet here. But if you need to add more sheet, you just need to click on the bottom add sheet option. So you can see you can add more sheet by pressing on the option on the plus symbol. So now you can see I just added up to 10 sheet. You can have more option while just clicking on the sheet and just clicking on this arrow option, which have option of delete, duplicate, copy, rename, change color, whatever that you want. And you can just drag and drop and you can just move this, and this is how you just add the sheets on your Google Sheet PC. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.